Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will try to solve another Java problem, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about merging two sorted arrays, right? So in this class, we will discuss another Java problem. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, I have written the problem statement, right? So now I will just read the problem statement. So the problem statement is take an integer input n, an array of size n, and arrange its array elements in such a way that they form largest possible number, right? So you have to take an integer input n. You have to take an integer input n, and you have to take an array of size n, right? And arrange its array elements in such a way that they form the largest possible number, right? Which means, for example, if I take n is equal to 4, if I take n is equal to 4 and I have to give 4 values in the array, right? The first value is 4, second value is 46, third value is 8, and fourth value is 9, right? So in this 4 numbers, you have to convert these 4 numbers, right? You have to convert these 4 numbers into one number which is the largest. So you have to convert these 4 numbers as the largest number, one largest number, right? So you have to convert all these 4 numbers into one number as the largest number, right? Largest possible number, right? So after converting the largest number, you will get 98464, right? So by converting, you will get 98464. So this is the largest number which you can get from these 4 numbers, right? So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So first of all, you have to write import java.util.start, right? So after that, I will write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, right? So after that, I will take n value, which is int n is equal to sc dot next int, right? So after that, I will take n and an arr, an array, right, equal to new int of size n, right? So you have to take int and square brackets and the variable name and new int of size n, right? So after that, you have to take a for loop which starts from 0 and it will traverse until n, and I will do I plus plus here, right? So here I will open the for loop and I will write ar of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? So here I will call the function called form largest number. So here I will pass array and n, right? So you have to form the largest number, right? So for that you have to take n, right? You have to take n variable and the array, right? So I will pass arr and the n value to this function called form largest number, right? So here you have to write the function, right, which is public static void form largest number, right? So here you have to write the variable arr and int n, right? Int n. So here you have to open the function, right? So now I will just take the string array, right? So whatever the syntax that you are following for the int, the same thing you have to follow for the string also, right? So string, right? String, square brackets, and the variable name is temp array. So temporary array this is. So you have to write, you have to write, you have to write new string of size n, right? So I have taken the string array, right? So here I will traverse on that array. I will traverse on that array, right? So I will traverse on that array, and I will take this temp array, take this temp array, take this temp array, and I will write string dot value of, and I will write inside array. So which means, so whatever the values which are present in this array, right? So whatever I am passing this to the function form largest number, right? So those values I am converting into string, right? So those values I am converting into string. See, so each time in the string array I am pushing the array, right? So each element in the array will convert each element into the string, right? String dot value of will convert the each number in this array into string, right? So these values 4, 46, 8, 9 are present in this array, right? Right? So it will convert each number into string now, right? By using this method string dot value of, right? So after converting into string, I will push all the values into this temp array, right? I hope you understand, right? So here I have to sort it. So I have to sort it in such a way that I have to get the largest number, right? So what I have done, I have created the string array and I have pushed the all the array I values into this temp array by converting each element into string by using this method string dot value of, right? I hope you understand. So after that I have to sort in such a way that I have to get the largest number, right? So for that I will use the arrays dot sort method, right? So in this I will take temp array, right? Temp array, and I will take parenthesis a comma b. So it is the lambda expression. So what I am writing here is lambda expression, right? So here I will write b plus a, and here I will write compare to method, and after that I will write a plus b, right? So this is the lambda expression, right? So each time it will take two variables, like two strings in this temp array, right? So here it will convert all the elements into the strings, right? So each element in this temp array will be string. So it will take two string values and it will compare and it will sort it in such a way that it will get the largest value, right? So it will compare b plus a and a plus b. So based upon that it will get the largest number, right? I hope you understand. So finally it will sort all the elements in the temp array and it will sort in such a way that it will get the largest values, right? I hope you understand. So in the temp array it will sort in such a way that it will get the largest number, right? Largest number. When you concatenate all the values in this temp array after sorting, you will get the largest number, right? So for that you have to take temp array. So in this temp array we are having all the string elements, right? So we have converted all the array elements into the string elements and we have push to this temp array, right? So in this array we are having all the string elements, right? So that's why I'm taking temp array here, right? So each time I will take two elements in the temp array and I will compare, right? So I will compare elements. So and I will sort in such a way that it will get the largest number, right? So here we got the largest number, right? So here I will just do for loop which starts from int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? So I will just open the for loop and here I will write, here I will just print temp array of I, right? So see here, I am just printing on the same line and I am not giving this space option. Why? Because I have to get this number, right? So I don't want this space, right? I don't want this space. I just want like this number, right? So 98464. It should be concatenated, right? So that's why I'm not giving plus and the space symbol, right? Double quotes. I hope you understand. So all the elements will be come under one line and I'm not using this concatenation so that it will come like this, right? Like a one number, right? I hope you understand. So the program is completed now, right? So let's run this program. So now I'll just click on this F5, right? There is no errors. The program runs successfully. So now I will give n value 4 and here I will write first value is 4, 46, 8, 9, right? When I press enter, so what is the output? Which is 98464, right? See, 98464, right? So in this way you can get the largest number in the array, right? Sorry, you can form the largest number in the array, right? I hope you understand. So by using this lambda function, we can convert the array elements into the largest number, right? I hope you understand how to use this lambda expression, right? So if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.